Hello everybody, I am Stephen Rampino. I am the manager of digital education here at LATICRETE International in Bethany, Connecticut. I'm here today to announce a new series of tutorials that we've launched on LATICRETE University. LATICRETE University is our e-learning courses that are online. They are always free and available to anybody who's interested in taking them. We currently have almost 100 tutorials posted. Logging on and signing on and taking training is easy and can be done 24/7 from any computer or mobile device. Just go to laticreteuniversity.com, follow the prompts, fill out a profile, and you can begin training at any time. We're here today to announce a new series of tutorials that have been posted, the 101 series. So the 101 series has 10 tutorials that cover what are grouts, substrates, adhesives, membranes, and takes you through each layer of a standard installation and the product categories. This series of tutorials can be used for onboarding of new employees or for anybody interested in reviewing the basics of the tile and stone industry. The 101 series tutorials can all be identified by a gold icon that says 101 series. We hope this is all useful to you guys. I hope you have a great day, and thanks for listening.